Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use templates in Jitter. Jitter makes motion design accessible to everyone, offering a vast library of over 100 free, customizable templates. You don't need any prior animation experience to get started. Simply choose a template that catches your eye, and you're ready to begin creating stunning animations in just a few clicks. It's designed to be incredibly intuitive and user-friendly. Once you've selected a template, customizing it is straightforward. You can effortlessly replace placeholder media or text with your own images, videos, or messages. Jitter gives you full creative control to change color schemes, fine-tune animation timings, and even add or remove elements. This flexibility ensures your final animation perfectly aligns with your vision and brand identity, making it truly unique. Jitter seamlessly integrates with your existing design workflow, especially if you use Figma. With its convenient plugin, you can import your Figma designs directly into Jitter in one click, ready for animation. You can also combine elements from multiple templates by simply copying and pasting them into a single file. Plus, elevate your designs further by importing custom fonts and animating along curved vector paths. When your animation is complete, exporting is quick and easy. Jitter supports various file formats, including MP4 video, animated GIF, and Lottie files, suitable for many platforms. With the free plan, you can export your creations in resolutions up to 720 pixels. For higher quality, like 1080 pixels or even 4K, and additional formats, the Pro plan offers expanded export capabilities.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.